Hi, my name is Raina. I'm 9 years old and I'm in 3rd grade. Today I'm going to talk about my Razor MX650 and show you how cool it is.
Hi, my name is Devin and I'm 7 years old and I'm in 1st grade and I have the SX Razor 500. I'm 7 years old and I'm 50 inches and this is how it fits me. It fits me perfect.
I'm 9 years old and 54 inches. This is how it fits me. It fits perfectly. My feet touch the ground. There are a few things you need to do before you can actually ride your motorcycle.
You need eye protection because if you don't wear eye protection, sand might come in your eyes. Any eye protection is good as long as it covers your eyes.
The second thing you need is a helmet. You need a helmet so that if you fall off your motorcycle, your head doesn't bang on the ground.
Yeah, and if it did once, it could kill you.
Make sure you clip it in. The third and final step you need are gloves. You need gloves because if you fell and your hands were on the ground, they would get bruised and scratched up. The second reason you need gloves is because if you were at a bumpy terrain park, your hands would rattle and you would feel the vibrations. You can help your little sibling if they don't know how to put on gloves correctly. Can I help you? Now, you're almost ready to ride your motorcycle. You also need to kick up your kickstand. Never get on your bike with your kickstand down. It can damage or crack the kickstand. Hold it. Now that your kickstand's up, you can get on your bike. Now we're going to talk about your power button. Do not turn on your dirt bike until you are completely seated comfortably on your dirt bike.
And we're very specific. If you turn it on too quickly, you could go flying across this lake right now.
The power switch is located on the left or right of your dirt bike. Flip the switch and now your dirt bike is ready to go. To turn it on, you're going to pull this lever on the handle slowly and you'll move forward. Don't move it too quickly or you're going to go flying.
it's a 7-year-old kid. It's very, very good for a 7-year-old kid, and it's so much fun. You can go around this whole park 50 times in just 1 hour. That's impossible.